This is a quick video demonstration on how to release the smoke canister and reassemble all the pieces inside. So you would twist the spoon out of this little holding bracket, pull it, and then you release the spoon, and then the hammer drops and strikes the primer. Sometimes this pin will knock loose, and then you'll have a spring, your hammer, and a pin. You want to take the pin and the spring, place the spring inside of this striking pin to where this piece rests on the back right here. And you're going to set that face down inside the assembly. Just like this. And at that point you're going to take this pin and feed it through the spring and the striking pin, the hammer. Then there'll be tension on the hammer. So you flip that back, hold that in place, take the spoon and put it over like this. And you're going to want to take the pin and put it in on this side with this metal bracket. Feed that through to the other side. And then lock the pin back in place.